What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a 2018 Dodge Charger. Problem that I'm having is the screen is stuck in a Dodge logo. Now I can control this. Alright, and then I can press this, the screen turns black. Press this and then the Dodge logo comes on and stays like that. Alright, I have tried the top right button right here. That doesn't work, doesn't do anything. Alright. So we're going to try to disconnect the battery and see what happens. Here we go. Here we are in the trunk. We're going to be removing the negative terminal. Oh, this one's a little bit tight in here. So after resetting the battery, let's see what happens. I'm going to turn it on. All right, something's different now. There we go. Cool. So it seems disconnecting the battery and waiting a few minutes works. And that's how you fix the screen, guys. That is one of the ways, all right? Once this happens to me again, I'm gonna make another video. But so far, thank you so much for watching. That's how you fix the screen on a Dodge Charger. Chrysler 300 or any uConnect device. Disconnect the battery, plug it back in after a few minutes.